Oh, hi, mathematicians. I'm so glad you're here because I just went on an egg hunt. Have you ever been on an egg hunt? I bet some of you have. Well, in my family, the eggs are hidden and we all run around and try to find as many eggs as we can. And now I'm trying to count my eggs, but I've got to figure out how to count them and organize them. So maybe you can help me. What do you think that we should do to count the eggs? Okay, I want your help, but you're going to need a few things today to help me. Here's the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a turn and talk buddy. It could be a parent or a brother, or it could be a stuffed animal. Here's my stuffed animal, Macy Dog. I turn and talk to her about my math thinking all the time. You're also going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. So here's what you're going to do. Press the pause button and go and gather your materials. When you have everything you need, press play again. Okay, we all should have everything we need. So let's start thinking through my problem of trying to figure out how many eggs I gathered today on my egg hunt. So what do you think? Turn and talk to your buddy and tell them, how should we count these eggs? I bet you had some great ideas. I think let's take them out of the basket. And as we take them out, we can count them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There were 9 eggs in my basket. That's a lot of eggs. But I want to record how many eggs I have so that I can tell my family. And I want to organize them. And I'm thinking I want to organize them by color. So I have some yellow, some green, and some blue eggs. So let's get these organized. I've got yellow, and then green, and blue. So now I have all my eggs organized and I want to record my thinking. So I'm going to take my paper and my marker and I'm going to start recording. How do you think that I should record my thinking about how many yellow, how many green, and how many blue there are? Turn and talk to your buddy and tell them your thinking. Did you say that I could draw the eggs? I think that's a great idea. So let's start with yellow. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. So I'm going to draw my yellow eggs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow eggs. And I better put a 4 here. 4 eggs. Okay, let's do the same for the green. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to draw the 2 green eggs and write the number 2, 2. And now for my blue eggs. 1, 2, 3 blue eggs. 1, 2, 3. I had 4 yellow, 2 green, and 3 blue. But does that show which ones were yellow, which ones were green, and which ones were blue? I need to figure out a way to show that they were yellow. Well, I could color them those colors, but I don't have any crayons with me. I think I'm just going to write the letter, the first letter from each color. So yellow is a weird one, but I know it starts with a Y. So there are 4 yellow, so I'm going to put 4 Y. That way I know there's 4 yellow. And then the 2 green, so G, that's a G. And 3 blue, B for blue. So now I've recorded how many yellow, green, and blue, but I need to record how many eggs I collected all together. That's really important. There were 9. So I'm going to write 9, and then I'm going to write the word eggs. E, E, G, G, and then egg is a little tricky because there's 2 G's. G, eggs, S. 9 eggs in total, and there were 4 yellow, 2 green, and 3 blue made 9. We just decomposed the number 9. That means we broke it apart. You've done a lot of work with decomposing numbers into smaller amounts or smaller numbers, but today we did it with 3 parts, not just 2. This is another way you can break numbers apart. We can break them into 3 parts. Thank you so much for all of your help on helping me count my 9 eggs today. But now I want to see your ideas for how we could record this thinking. So we've seen one idea, that was my idea. Now it's your turn. You're going to take your paper and your pencil or pen or marker or crayon, and I want you to record the 9 eggs. Think about this. How many were yellow? How many were blue? How many were green? How could you show that? How could you show the 9 eggs all together? Could you write a number sentence to show your thinking? So now's your turn. Record your ideas on your piece of paper. Then click the Add Response button in Seesaw and snap a picture of your recording sheet. Then click the green check to add your response. I can't wait to see your thinking. Thanks for all your help today.